Consider a dominance asserted. Oh my god. That's what I'm going to give you later. Some prime pumps. Fucking KTMs are so unreliable, mate. Have you tried throwing it into the sea and getting a DJI? Oh, hello Bobby. Hello everybody, welcome to day 3? 2? 3? Well, technically it's day 3, I think. We are on a very loud ferry over to Mull. We're taking the ferry over from Oban. This lorry here has got fresh tar in it, like tarmac, and it smells utterly delightful, and you can feel the heat coming off it. Talking about hot things, Super Duke. Talking about other hot things, Joe. When I got off my bike, I leant on this. Shit myself. We did an entire ferry crossing without throwing up. Are you proud of me? Thanks, mate. Joe has a camera on. His camera mount has flopped off his helmet. So we're having all of the fun with 3D printed stuff today. Yeah, see, I told you. For everyone watching, Joe's just said this is a real faff, isn't it? And this is the issue with YouTube. Everyone takes the piss out of YouTubers for faffing. And it's because there's a camera or a microphone or something that needs a new battery, or it needs a new SD card, synchronizing or whatever. And it's always like, you do one thing and then you go, oh perfect, I've done that thing now, plug it in. Oh, need to bloody format my SD card in this now. Oh shit, I've just formatted the wrong SD card and I've lost all of my data. We'll pull over somewhere. I knew you were going to say that. On the bottom of the screen here is what Joe's just said, which is essentially, I don't have a pullover, I've got a jacket on at the moment. Shall I assert some dominance? Consider a dominance asserted. God, my bike sounds loud in here. Cold start on the Super Duke in a very echoey place. Welcome to the Isle of Mull, everybody. Right, I think we're going left. I don't think I went left before, I think I went right. But this is the way to like the 3 locks. Mull compared to Sky. Everyone says, oh yeah, gotta go to Sky, gotta go to Sky, but Mull is definitely better. Mull is a little bit like, there's not really a round route that you can do, it's just like a, you go one way and then you turn around and come back type vibe. This, I'm gonna go left here just for the fun of it, I don't know what's down here, but it says weak road, 18 tons, so your mum can't come down here. Oh, funny. Go down here, take it further, and then it means we get away from those sodding Volvos that know how to use nothing but the brakes. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, Stonebridge Wall, my favourite. What's really concerning is like the more years I ride for, the more additions to the, oh, my favourite, gravel in the middle of the road. Oh, careful, Sam. Oh, look at that. Hello. It's sunny in Scotland, everybody. It's fucking sunny in Scotland. Oh, lovely pop for the exhaust then. Yeah, see, this is what I remember of Mull. I don't remember this exact road, but when you escape from all the motorhomes and stuff, you just get like little racetracks like this. Like all single lane roads, up and down, all sorts of stuff. There was a lot of jumping to be done, but obviously I'm not on the Super Adventure side. I'm not going to be jumping. Yeah, my cheeky mounted brake as well, so it's just like little roads like this. Oh, listen to the popping, mate. And downshift, downshift, downshift. Oh, that was loud. That was loud, and I've got my earplugs in. This might be a first gearer. This is essentially Bologna Bar, but on Mull, and it's not Bologna Bar at all. That view, oh my god. Holy shit balls. What an incredible view. I don't know if this is someone's house. It looks like it could be someone's house. No parking. Yeah, I think this is someone's house. I might pull over in one of these passes. Oh my god, look, mate. I just went to put the side stand down and accidentally did that on my gear lever. No, Sam. Go blue. Right, back on the ferry. Oh, she's a bumpy one. I'd crash so many times if this was the road to my house. Emma, can you come get me again? I crashed again. You need to learn how to ride a KTM, Joe. You are the dominant one. Doesn't matter if they're coming towards you, you are the dominant one. Exactly. You're the one with more power than you should have. And with great power comes great responsibility. Comes great head-on collisions. Oh, we call them up. We are such children. Good, Joe, you're learning. You're learning the ways of the Force. Force him into the passing place. Yes, Force. May the Force be with you. I might just go down here. Do you know what's really funny? Is I'll put one of these pictures up on Instagram, and it will get less likes than that random one I did up the road for me. It's bloody pretty, isn't it? Oh no, I've scratched the life out of that with my genitals. Oh, it's bloody windy. I think I might stand on this side of my bike before my glove goes flying down the hill and I'll never see it again. Clickety click, clackety clack, fackety fack. Are you recording? I'm really concerned about my bike flying over with this wind. Don't just shout something for me to sync up. Service needed. This is absolutely corking.
Sublime.
I was like fucking 40% throttle. He's going to wave us past that, I think. He's just whammed his window down. That's what I'm going to give you later, some prime pumps.
Oh yeah. 3 of your best.
Just out!
Thank you!
Yeah, only like 2 or 3. Trying to do that, but without breaking my chiggy mount is really hard. Thanks, babes. Start doing Nazi salutes every time I go past people. Oh, sheep.
No.
Cover that brake.
Don't.
Dick. I hate sheep so much. They're such oblivious creatures. Oh my god. Literally a racetrack, mate. Look at that!
Bloody hell.
I think this is the road I came along before.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you came on it.
Since I've added Joe's recordings into the mix, it's become smart.
Don't lie, it was always smut. You just couldn't hear one half of it, so it was just smut.
Yeah. Now I'm going to get demonetised. Could get a coffee.
I could get a coffee.
Could get a coffee.
Get a coffee?
Get a coffee?
Get a coffee?
Go down here, wang a U-turn, and then go back in.
Alright, Tommy.
Do a special Tommy Lindy.
It's called a Tommy Tuck, innit?
Tommy what? Bridge! Ah!
Isle of Mull coffee served here. We're literally at a cafe.
Oh yeah, and it's an artisan bakery. Does that mean it's expensive?
Yeah, and it probably has cake, so...
Well, do you want this one or do you want that one over there?
We're literally here now.
Right, we're going to get Anne Le coffee. Actually, that rock looks muy bueno. No, it doesn't. Oh, look at this place. Okay, bye. Hi, baby. It's Joe. Looking like he's about to rob my phone. Can you just shout, "Give me your phone"?
Give me your phone.
Yeah, but like you're a yobbo from London. Give me your phone, or I'll shank you. We just had a very, very delightful. Let me put this camera on first. There's the hole. Is that the hole? That's not the hole. That doesn't feel like the hole. That feels like the wrong hole. There we go. Yeah, we just had a very, very delightful cake, sausage roll and coffee in Lock and Loaf Artisan Bakery. I had like a blueberry and lemon slice cake thing, and oh my god, incredibly sickly. And now we're going to ride to the end of the road, turn around and go back. Is this still tight? Yeah, boy. Quite happy with that rack, you know. 3, 2, 1, service. Anti-social behaviour order. My bike is very poppy at the moment, ready? Ooh, Reliant Scimitar and a Rover SD1.
Bloody hell.
Yes, please. That's what we should do, is buy classics like that and do a road trip like that. That'd be funny.
I would love to, but I just have a feeling you'd end up spending more time at the side of the road than you would on it.
Yeah, but as long as the side of the road is here. Oh, there's so many potential jumps here, but I can't do it because I'm not on the Super Adventure. That's the only negative so far, is I like to jump and I can't jump on the... Well, I can jump on this bike, but my jiggy will break. Oh, how super jig you are. Very vocal.
Just every single turn. You just look around and it's just beautiful.
Really pretty. Oh, look at that little dammies. Don't you dare. Another one. Just walk straight out. Can you imagine you want to go back onto the mainland to go to Tesco or something, and it's going to take you an hour and 40 minutes either way? Look at that, mate. What the fuck? Oh my god. I think this is basically the end as well, so I don't know how far this road keeps going. I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee. Drives me around in his JCB. I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee.
Can't wait to get to the end here to see all of the cars that we've overtaken. They've then overtaken us while we've had lunch.
Yeah. Just see that camper van again for the 38th time. So because... Oh, hi, look, goose! Oh, it's the hell like Can we actually get anywhere down here, or is it just a dead-ended bit? There's a van coming out there, watch it. Oh, it's a jetty. Gonna do a U-turn, gonna do a U-turn. Look at that, feet up U-turn. That's right pretty, that. Oh, adventure bike. It's such a shame when you get to the end of a road like this, it's always just a parking, I was going to say a parking lot, but that's American. They literally just go, oh, loads of people are going to drive here, let's put a fucking car park here, charge people £8 to get here, to park here. People have to capitalise on everything.
Go, 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 go.
Yobbo. Joe, I told you that your bike sounds quite good.
Yeah, once or twice.
It's really rare I know what an LCA engine sounds like.
Yeah, you've only got 3 of them.
I've only got 2 of them.
What about the ones in the container?
Yeah, we're not talking about those.
Oh, okay.
For anyone watching, if I have left any of those in, it's from the... I can't remember what the show is, but there's a show with like a... It's almost a piss take war film. It's almost similar to something like Inglourious Bastards sort of thing.
Because is it Stephen Merchant that does it?
Yeah, he walks into a house and he just turns around to every single one of them going, "Hi Hitler!" And they go, "Heil Hitler!" back to him. It's really funny.
Captain Klensendorf. Heil Hitler.
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 Heil Hitler. You know Freddy Finkel.
Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler.
That's very pretty. I'm going to pull over here and take a photo. Even though it's a passing Platts, I don't give a shit. Do you know who I am? I'm hashtag SAMVBIKES, mate. I'll take a wee little photo, Paul. Your Royal Mail delivery update has not been delivered. Oh, that van's coming flying past now. Health Tag tagged you in a post. Hi, Health Tag.
Are you sure they didn't just use your helmet picture that you took the other day?
Do you want to see my helmet picture? Look at my hole, everybody. No! Cheers, mate! He asked if you were broken down.
If I was?
Yeah. Fucking KTMs are so unreliable, mate. How'd you feel about that? Just doesn't start, can you imagine? Like you did with the Africa Twin.
It was in Scotland it happened, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I think my GoPro's died.
Oh, a GoPro that's died? How weird.
I put a fresh battery in it and it won't power up.
Have you tried throwing it into the sea and getting a DJI? That seems to be the best way of dealing with GoPros. How many miles have we done so far? 686. With an average consumption, over those 12.5 hours of riding, an average consumption of 55 miles per gallon. Not bad considering I've been riding like an absolute bell piece in the last day and a bit. Clear, 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 clear. I've got a police station here for all those mad crims that are doing bad stuff on Mull. Hi CWS. How are you doing, CWS? I have to say, what is nice, like I think I said this before about the Super Adventure, so same kind of thing, but when you can just bugger off on a day and you don't have to sort of stress about fuel all the time. Oh my god, look at that view. Oh, got some really nice pops. Cattle grid. Is this the one that hurt my testes? Yeah, that was the one that hurt my testes. Oh. Ow. Oh, I hovered, but the seat slapped me in the arse. Quite liked it. Scared the shit out of me. I was not expecting that. Oh, there's a bug on my lens. Well, that's nice. This might be the end of this part, so see you in a bit. Bye, love you, bye.